Designing Spaces series Frontdoor app Fix-It tips continues. Now, these tips are gonna help you tap into the power of this app. Frontdoor invites experts into your home virtually that allows you to save time and money, all while fixing some of your home repairs that you may have. Now, these are all do-it-yourself projects, and you get to do it all with the help of an expert. Now, welcoming, we have two new homeowners with us. We have Madison and Tony. Congratulations, guys. I understand this is the first week in the home.
Yes.
Yeah, we just moved in. It's great.
Absolutely, and I can imagine the first week you're trying to get settled, but then you're also probably looking around saying, okay, what do I need to fix? What's on your guys' list?
Yeah, we definitely want to replace the outdoor sconces.
Okay, good place to start. And so this is where the Frontdoor app comes in handy, because you're gonna be able to save time and money, and you get the help of experts. And you guys get to do it yourself, right? You guys wanna hop on a call?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
Hey Tony, my name is John. I'll be your expert today. Thank you for opening the front door. How can I help you?
Hey, John. So we are trying to replace a wall sconce on the front of our garage and could use a little help.
Okay, flip your camera and we'll take a look at it.
Awesome.
So Tony and Madison are outside video chatting with the Frontdoor expert. And while they're on the phone with the expert, I want to give you guys a great tip. So a lot of companies out there will often charge you a service trip fee just to come out and diagnose an issue, no matter what they find. With Frontdoor, you can get real-time help from a virtual expert to diagnose the issue, all as part of your annual membership, which includes unlimited video chats for $25 a year. And that's especially helpful when it turns out to be something that you can fix yourself, all with the help of the Frontdoor experts, of course.
So there is going to be two little nuts on each side of the fixture right here, and then there should be one on the other
Yes,
side.
yeah, I see them.
We're going to loosen those. You just got to hold the bottom of the fixture so it doesn't fall. Perfect. Now just loosen the wire nuts.
All right.
All right, there should be two screws in this bracket.
Okay.
You just loosen those up and this whole bracket, this round bracket here will come out.
Okay. Slide that guy off.
Perfect.
Okay, so you just wrapped up your video call with the expert. How'd it go?
Awesome. Great. Yeah, super helpful. John helped us with every step of the way, and it was awesome having somebody who knew what they were doing walk you through it.
Isn't that so nice? Because sometimes when we tackle do-it-yourself projects, it's like, where do I get this confidence from? But to have an expert there to walk you through, doesn't it make you feel more comfortable?
Absolutely.
And it can be overwhelming, so many different projects, and he walked us right through.
Time and money.
Yep.
It's a win-win, guys.
Yeah.
And to tap into this great tool, you can download Frontdoor from the Apple App Store or Google Play and visit their website at frontdoor.com. And remember, for more information, you can also visit our website, designingspaces.tv. And be sure to watch for more Frontdoor app Fix-It tips as our series continues right here on Designing Spaces.